Hey everyone, I'm Nick with VitalCryptoCoin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a free LiteDoge wallet on your mobile device. To download, you can find in the link below or go to the App Store and search LiteDoge Wallet and look for this icon right here. So after you're done installing the app, you just open it up and you're going to see this right here. You're going to want to go to generate and save. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click generate, and then you'll see right here this is your address. So if you ever need to send any LiteDoge to your wallet, this is the address that you'll use. And down here is your private key. You want to keep this personal, and you want to save this on a backup somewhere, so if you ever lose your phone or your mobile device, you can get back into your wallet and not lose all of your crypto. So the next thing you're going to do is you just want to name it whatever you want. So if you want to name it where you're earning your crypto or whatever, we're going to just name it test because we already have one. And then you're going to put a password in. We're going to do test and test. And then you just click save wallet. You'll see your wallet is saved. And then you'll see it right here. So again, this is your address and this is your private key. And like I said, if you ever lose your phone or whatnot and you want to get back into your wallet, you'll use this private key right here that you saved somewhere else. You'll come down here, you'll download the app again on the new device, and you'll hit import wallet, and you'll just put that code in right here, the wallet's name, and the password that you used. So, and then I will show you also how to get back into it after you have closed out. So once you close it, you'll see it's gone again. You'll just click load here, and you hit which wallet you want. So we see we got test right here. And you click OK, put your password in, test, and load wallet. And then you'll see your wallet's here again and your address is back. So also, if you want to fill up your wallet with some free LiteDoge, check out our video on how to do that. You can find the link in the video description. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.